Hi, welcome back to YouTube channel again. So in this informative video, we will guide you on how to obtain your Cellular One account number and PIN as well as transfer PIN. So understanding this essential detail is crucial for managing your Cellular One account effectively. So follow our step-by-step instruction to easily retrieve your account number and PIN and smoothly transfer your PIN to another device. So stay tuned and empower yourself with the knowledge of to navigate your Cellular One accounts effortlessly. So let's start. Here, first thing we have to get know account number and PIN. So your account number can typically be found on your bill or a invoice in your online account. So if you don't know your account number and PIN, you can get it contacted by their customer service executive. Then they are the number is you have to dial with your phone 1800 730 2351. It is advisable to check these sources for your specific account number. Now, transfer PIN. So, transfer PIN of Cellular One may vary, but it is often a four-digit code. So, if you are unsure about your PIN, you can contact their customer care executive at this number 1800 730 2351 to retrieve your or reset your transfer PIN. So, these are some simple steps you have to take it when you try to get your Cellular One account number and PIN and transfer PIN. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it and we will catch you in our next video.